Welcome back. And 100 facts that will expand your knowledge and make you say,
What?
A day on Venus. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. It takes about 243 Earth days to rotate once, but only 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. Hotter than the Sun, lightning can be 5 times hotter than the surface of the Sun, reaching temperatures of around 30,000 Kelvin or 53,540 degrees Fahrenheit. Bananas are berries. Botanically, bananas are classified as berries, while strawberries are not. Jellyfish immortality. The Turritopsis Dohrnii jellyfish is considered biologically immortal as it can revert back to its juvenile form after reaching adulthood. Human bones. Humans and giraffes have the same number of neck vertebrae, 7. Rubber bands last longer when refrigerated. Keeping rubber bands in the refrigerator can help them last longer because the cold slows down the chemical reactions that cause them to degrade. Octopus hearts. An octopus has 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, while the third pumps it to the rest of the body. Honey never spoils. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. Butterflies taste with their feet. Butterflies have taste sensors on their feet to help them find their host plant. Blue eyes. People with blue eyes have a single common ancestor who lived about 10,000 years ago. Longest fingernails. The longest fingernails ever recorded on a single hand belong to Sridhar Chillal of India, measuring 29.8 feet. First programmable computer. The first programmable computer, called the Z3, was invented by Konrad Zuse in 1941. Tomatoes in space. Tomatoes were the first fruit to be grown in space on the International Space Station. Deepest cave. The Veryevkina Cave in Georgia is the deepest known cave in the world, reaching a depth of 7,257 feet. Bees and zero. Bees are capable of understanding the concept of zero and advanced numerical understanding. First animated feature film. The first full-length animated feature film was Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, released by Disney in 1937. Longest musical performance. The longest musical performance in history is taking place at St. Burkhardi Church in Halberstadt, Germany, and is scheduled to last 639 years. Huge thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you found it interesting, and hit that subscribe button for more content like this coming soon.